welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another happy Thursday, and I am back to Mumbai. As you all know, it was my sister's wedding and I'm finally back, and no more missing videos. You'll be seeing me every Thursday from now onwards, and I'm super excited. But before anything else, today I am doing this 5 minutes makeup look. This is my go-to makeup look, because this is how I get ready almost on everyday basis when I go out, because you all know I'm not a kind of a person who apply heavy makeup on everyday basis. So today I'm here with this look. It will be really helpful for the girls who go to college or when they go to school. Of course you can't apply this much makeup in your school, but at least in your college. But if the school girls are going out somewhere and they can apply this much of makeup, would also help you if you're working and you are not someone who wants to apply a lot of makeup. Also, it's a monsoon season, so it's not actually very good to apply too much of makeup because too much of humidity and your makeup will just melt. So yes, today I'm here with my go-to makeup look. Get ready with me in just 5 minutes or maybe even less than that. So yes, if you want to see how I created this 5 minutes makeup look, keep watching this video. For me, always the first step, whether I am doing makeup or I'm not doing makeup, whether I am going out of the house or not going out of the house, I always apply sunblock after my moisturizer. So yes, I'm applying this sunblock, and yes, I'm going to give you all the details in the description box below that I am using. And yes, I'm gonna so I'm gonna start with the skin tint, and this is from Just Herbs. Since the time I've got this one, I am in love with this one. I don't use anything else except this. If I'm not applying too much of makeup, I just apply this. And if you guys don't have a skin tint, I would say you can use any BB cream or CC cream. That would be great, because wearing foundation on everyday basis is not at all a good idea. So it's not at all good for your skin, so you can actually go for a BB cream or a skin tint, and I am using the skin tint and I love this one. This is literally so light, and I'm just gonna apply under my eyes, here and here, on my nose, here. Now doing that, I am just gonna blend it. After applying my skin tint, I quickly just put some powder. So I am using this MAC Studio Fix. You can use any powder. Next is my mascara. I quickly apply mascara because I feel it's the most important thing. And I'm just gonna take my phone front camera and apply mascara. KIKO waterproof mascara, and monsoon is here. Let's just use everything which is waterproof because we really need that. And next will be applying my lipstick from Lotus, and the name is Nude Blush, and you guys know how much I love nude shades, so yeah. After my lipstick, I just apply my blusher. So yes, I am using the SIVANNA palette. As you guys know, I just love this one, and I'm using this pink shade. blusher, the last thing I apply is my kajal, and you all know I just can't stay without the kajal. So makeup 5 minutes makeup look. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please let me know in the comment section below what do you want to see next. And yes, follow me on all my social medias because super soon I'll be posting all the wedding pictures. And yes, I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.